my channel, and if you're new here, my name is August Nicole, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting the videos. And y'all, I am bringing y'all another human hair wig review, and I got this hair from Beauty Forever Hair, and let me give y'all the details about her. It is Beauty Forever Fake Scalp Blonde Highlight, and it is a piano colored lace part wig, and it is a bob, as y'all can see. And I got her in the length of 14 inches. And y'all, I am feeling these blonde highlights in her. I really think these blonde highlights set her off. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. And I got her in the color TL1. It's TL412. And she is kind of like, she is kind of on the affordable side. If you get her in a shorter length, she was $93.95. And y'all, the pros that I like about her, she is big head friendly. I do like the parting space. She has really good parting space. I did go in and plug her a little bit, and I do like the color. I really like these highlights. I think it's really pretty. I never really tried like a brown color wig like this with the highlights in it, so I really like it. It's different for me. And she was easy to lay down. I do think she is beginner friendly. She came with the lace in the front, and she also came with the lace in the back, but it wasn't all the way around. It was just stopped to like right here, and it also was in the same length in the back too. She does come in other, if you want to get her in a different style, in a different color, you also have those options too. And the cons that I don't like, what I don't like about this wig is the flyaways. She had like a lot of flyaways up here at the top, and that was kind of hard for me to lay down. And everything else about this wig, I think it is a go. She didn't shade that much. She feels comfortable on my head. I like the length. This is very summertime and springtime friendly. You know, you won't get too hot wearing this wig. She is lightweight. I do like the density of her. She looks very full to me. I like the density. You ain't gonna be seeing no tracks when y'all wear her. So you could go out in style and confidence when you wear this wig, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about her in the comment section below. Would y'all rock her in this color and in this style? That is it for this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.